Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This video I will show you about I finished making get in and get out of the car. Okay, let me show you. Okay, I made a simple character. You can see a simple Suzanne and it indicates a character, and this is a car. Now I'm going to get in a car and drive a car. Okay, in the character I set up about move forward and move around by use mouse, and if you get close to a car, press F to get in. Okay, hit F on the keyboard. This is the character is driving a car. Okay, and now if you get my blends file and you want to duplicate to another car, more than one in this scene, you can do like this. Okay, I can duplicate this car, and there are a lot of part of the car. Okay, and then chip D to duplicate it. Okay, remember, if you finish duplicate them, I want you to set the name of this. Okay, select in another car's body, go to this and change to car number 2, and one another add logic break. When you select, you will find this sensor car name car. You can just set to car number 2 as well. And now try to play again. Now this workspace we have two car. Okay, let me try to the first car. Okay, and then get out of this car by hit F and go to the second car and hit F to get in. Now you can see you can get in a car by the Python script run automatically. This is the reason why I blink. This is the reason why I brought a simple Python script on this project. Okay, let me duplicate to another. Alright, just rename to car number 3 on this and this. And you can duplicate more and more as you wish. Okay, let me try to the third car. Okay, the third car runs well. Okay, stop this engine and press F to get out and go to another car. Okay, so now we can duplicate a car for one more, and you can duplicate whatever you want. So now everything finished. Okay, how to get in and get out of the car is done, and how to duplicate to another car is done. Okay, let me explain for short about a Python script. Alright, okay, this Python script, you can see this Python script has m to this. This Python script I used in character. Now you can see this. If I near a car and I press F, this Python script runs, and you can see detail on this script panel. Alright, perhaps it's very easy to understand if you see my script. Alright, in this video I hope you enjoy for watching and get my Blender to play on your PC on or your laptop. Okay, see you later. Bye.